So what I'd like to show you now is something that we do at Forest School, which is a good way of reflecting on everything around you, but also using all your senses, and we call it Magic Spot. So the idea is that you find a special space somewhere outside and you go and sit there in your special space on your own, away from other people, and you sit and you use all your senses to notice everything that's going on around you. So you have a good listen, you listen very carefully and see if you can notice what kind of sounds there are, and you have a look around, you use your eyes to see what there are, what there is either close to you, far away, all around 360 degrees, and also if there's any smells as well. So it's a really good way of just sitting peacefully and noticing everything around you and basically relaxing and taking in nature. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to go and sit over by the tree behind me. I don't know whether you can see it, and I'm just going to record for just a few seconds so that you'll get a good idea of the kind of things that I'm listening to and I'm watching, but I want you to go and do it for about 5 minutes. It seems like quite a long time, and then when you get back together with everybody else, you can share what you found and what you've seen and what you've heard and what you've smelled, and it's a really good way of trying to reconnect with nature and notice everything that's going on around you. Okay, so I'm going to go and find my little spot over there, and I will move the camera around and we will record the sounds and what I see, and we'll go from there. So this is where I'm going to sit. Oh, down a hole. So when I get called back to talk to everyone else about what I noticed when I was sat on my magic spot, was, I'm going to say that I saw a butterfly. It was fluttering around close to me. I looked really carefully at the old bark on the dead tree. I noticed that there was some sticky weed growing, and I noticed that the bark was all dry and knobbly, and there's probably lots of things living in there if I sat there for long enough and sat really still. I also noticed that the leaves were coming out on the trees. So this is hawthorn. Leaves have started to come out, and soon we'll start to see the blossom. And I can also hear the wind rustling through the trees as well. If you listen very carefully, you can hear the noise of the motorway in the background. And there's lots of bird song. You can hear the red kites up in the sky calling. and I can see, oh here we go, here's a butterfly, look at it, there's a peacock butterfly, see, opening and closing. So if you keep still for long enough, you'll notice things come close to you. Isn't that wonderful to be able to be so close to something alive and so colourful in nature? Anyway, I find this very relaxing. I think you should all give it a go. So go away and try Magic Spot, and I'll be very happy to hear of you to share with me what you found, what you saw, what you heard, what you smelt. And then I'll come back soon with some more ideas of how to relax and take in nature around you. Thanks very much. See you soon.